disgusting. I don't know, guys, how the cars, how the people are where you live, but here they're terrible. They're terrible, but I'm not talking like in Jamaica, not Jamaica, they're terrible too. But in Jamaica, the road terrible. Here we have pretty road. I had to drive.
Hey, back up. It's not every road in Jamaica terrible. Get it together.
I had to drive a terrible.
It's not every road in Jamaica terrible. We have some really nice, beautiful roads. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. So on a menu. I don't know why I put the spoon in my mouth when I know I can't talk with the food in my mouth. Nothing that I hate more is talking with food in your mouth or seeing someone do it. So why am I doing it? Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? It's a brand new day here, and I decided not to work out this morning. I just wanted to breathe a bit, but in the back of my head, I know I'm gonna get the workout done before the day ends. That's just me, really. So the entire family is around. Tyler is in his room having some Tyler time, playing with his Legos. Sarah is taking a nap. Baby's off to work, while I'm here trying to make things happen around here. I just finished, can you see that I just want to eat my breakfast? I just finished getting a shower, cook some food for Sarah lunch and dinner, because I want to take them to the pool. So I want to get some stuff done before I do that, and I want to carry them to the pool right after they eat lunch so I can have lunch when I get back from the pool. So yeah, with me being at the pool with them alone is just not easy. So I have to plan and figure things out ahead before I even venture out to go to the pool. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take them to the pool and let them enjoy the water a bit. It's Friday, so hopefully you guys are having a good day and staying productive and staying love and staying blessed and staying motivated. Baby's off to work. I think he'll be home for supermarket later, but anyway, you guys will see what we do for the rest of today. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And thank you guys for 15,000 subscribers. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. We're growing slowly but surely. No worries, what is for you cannot be for anyone else. I live by that. Anyway, so I'm gonna try and get Sarah food ready, because it needs to cool and blend, and then see if I can get a little work done before she wake up. I have about 30 minutes, so let's see what I can get done within that 30 minutes. Let's just make it a productive 30 minutes. Anyway, you guys, make sure you guys go and subscribe to Body After Baby if you guys haven't done so already. The link is down below in the comment section at the very top, and it's also under the heading channels at the top, and it's in the description box. It's everywhere in front of you for you guys to click on it. So what are you waiting for though? Give me your support, show me your love, and appreciate everyone who has already subscribed, even if you're not into workouts. Love you guys. Mwah. Come here, look who's ready for the pool. Give me a wear of the outfit. You giving me a wear of the outfit? Zara, she's so cute. Take off my clothes.
I'm going to kill you. Yeah. Mama, can we do this? No, please cover. Swimming race. Huh? Swimming race. We can do here all the way to over there. Mama, all the way over there we are going. Mama, we're going all the way over there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Mama,
Yeah.
follow me, then touch me.
We're going to go that way and this way. Right? Don't go that way. Only that way and
Yes,
back.
that's what exactly.
Very good. Why are you out here? Come back this way. Come this way.
I'm coming. Yes, cooking me now. No, just so. Look more.
Come back this way.
He's back chasing me.
So don't go that
Then-
way.
I'm not going that way. He's back taking me that way.
Take it that way. Mwah. 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 Okay, float.
Again. There is nothing again. Trying to get at the top of the hill.
Only possible Where you going? Where are you going? Huh? Where you going, little miss? Little miss? She's so busybody. She never stay one place. She's always on the go. She stay moving. Where are you going? You ready to go back in the water? Sarah, what are you doing? Sarah Leah, what are you doing? Sarah, you are so funny. I'm sure you're not hungry, girl. So I don't know, why are you eating that thing?
She's hungry.
You guys, we got back from the pool for a while now and been just relaxing. It's chill Friday. It's chill Friday, Sarah. The kids are here playing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Skull brother. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't bite me. Look at this too. Tell her, give her a break. Tell her, leave her. Die. She's so sloppy, you are. Look how she's begging for mama help. Tell her, leave her now. Look, die. Tell her you're gonna make her cry. You see? Sorry. Sarah gonna slap you. Fix him, Sarah. Fix him. Tyler, give her a break. Y'all are just too much. I can't. Tyler won't give her a break. She gonna start punching one day, you see what? Anyway, you guys, it's chill Friday, so you know on Fridays I really don't cook a lot of the time. So today I am making some mini pizza for Tyler. I'm waiting for Babe to get home to see what he chooses, whether pizza or mini pizza or the flaming kush. But let's see what he's going to choose. No, just mini pizza for you right now. So that's what's happening. I'm waiting for Babe to get home so we can enjoy the Friday afternoon. And yeah, so that's what's up right now. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your Friday, even though when you watch this it will be way past Friday. So hopefully you guys had a good Friday. And you see, Tyler won't give her a break. Tyler won't give her space to breathe. She can't even move around in peace. Look at this. Look at this. You see this? Tyler, don't give her a break. She putting her finger in your mouth. Your pizza is ready. No, you're on gone. Leave her. He's a wicked boy. No, not in the kitchen. Fix your pencil and your book. You're too funny. Sarah, brother, bail on you. I'm gone.
I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited.
You are.
I'm excited.
Tyler, come. You want mushroom pizza and cheese pizza? You want mushroom and the other one? You want both of them?
Yes, I want both of them.
Alright, I'm giving you 2 of the mushroom and 2 of the other one.
Okay. 2 cheese and 2 mushrooms.
Yours so funny. Let me show you guys Tyler pizza. I'm gonna feed Sarah with one.
Mushroom, cheese.
Right. Enjoy, they're hot, okay? Alright, I'm gonna feed some to Sarah. Yes?
The remote, where we keep.
It's beside me where I'm sitting. That's okay. I'm going around here now to feed your sister. So I'll fix it.
Hey, happy Friday, happy day. Hi guys, happy Friday, happy weekend, happy life, happy wife. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain tomorrow.
So you just wanna come on and just be random, tell the faves 10 different things in 2 seconds?
Yeah, so then you just have to take everything and put them in order. It's like a puzzle. You don't know what is a puzzle?
Can you talk to the faves? You haven't seen them all day?
Really? I saw them on the video.
Honey, can you?
Hey guys, today's Friday, been a busy day for me. Had a long day, and I'm back, and it's the weekend.
And you didn't go supermarket today?
I didn't go supermarket when I come back. It was late. Oh, and it was an accident on the road. And when there's an accident, traffic block. But I did half of the way in tramway. Tramway, no traffic. That's the good thing about tramway, you know? I don't know if you know what is
so
tramway.
The traffic was on the promenade or on California?
Everywhere, because the other road that we take, like the fast road in the middle, a big accident.
Oh, so it blocked up everywhere.
Yeah, they block. So every car that used to take it, they have to
the
go,
other one.
and they don't have no choice.
Okay.
And you know, cars so disgusting. I mean, you have a crossroad and you have a red light. Why the hell, when when you know that is about to turn red, and you know that in the crossroad you won't be able to go because it's blocked, why do you still want to go and block all the other cars crossing from the other side? You know you're going in, but you won't be able to cross properly. Stay where you are, the red light, and wait than to go in the middle and you block every car coming from the right so nobody can move. Disgusting. I don't know, guys, how the cars, how the people are where you live, but here they're terrible. They're terrible, but I'm not talking like in Jamaica. Not Jamaica, they're terrible too. But in Jamaica, the road terrible. Here we have pretty road. I had to try.
Hey, back up. It's not every road in Jamaica terrible. Get it together.
I had to drive a
It's not every road in Jamaica terrible. We have some really nice, beautiful roads.
You didn't see the documentary?
We have some real. Listen.
You only have the highway going to Ochorios.
Let me tell you something. We have beautiful highways and some beautiful roads. You don't see the new road going to Portmore, how pretty.
Portmore to Ochorios?
Anyway, we have nice roads in Jamaica, so get it right. I just saw a documentary on French TV of Jamaica. The title of the documentary is called... What is it called again?
Jamaica, like...
No, what's the title of
all the things, like the Impossible Road.
The Impossible Road. Listen, it's like they went in Jamaica
and find the worst of the worst of the
worst of Jamaica. I laughed throughout the documentary and I cussed throughout half of it. It's like all they're portraying is Rastamen smoking marijuana and the struggle of some men that live in Blue Mountain cultivating coffee and Riverton dump. Riverton dump, you know? Riverton dump. When they show Riverton dump, see me, I go like this. For about 5 minutes.
A tourist area, man. Guys, I have a serious questions to all of you. That's something I want you to answer seriously. The question is Jamaica. When you think about Jamaica, tell me the 3 things that comes to your head right away. 3 things about Jamaica. When you think about Jamaica, tell me the 3 pictures, the 3 images, the 3, doesn't matter what you think. If you think Jamaica, the first thing coming to your head is beach, tell me this. If the first thing is Usain Bolt, tell me Usain Bolt. If the first thing is whatever you are, whatever you think, whatever I think, I just want to know.
You want me to give you my first three that come
What
to my head? As you said, Jamaica, the first three that come to my head.
Yes.
To be honest,
Yes.
beach food and Bob Marley.
Alright.
That's the three first thing that come to my head right away, without
Alright.
even thinking.
Alright.
Beach food, Bob Marley. What come to your head as you hear
Me,
Jamaica?
a first one, a ganja. A ganja, a music and track and field. The three things. The top one ganja.
And that's what they portray on the thing just now.
that's what everybody tell me
that they're showing, they
when-
have a big spliff in their mouth, like.
If I say Jamaica, the first thing, oh, they have good one. So,
But the topic of the documentary, I can see why they show that length of it. And someone who worked on the documentary is in the Jamaican in France group, and he said that a lot of the things they didn't show, they cut out, like how they use the marijuana to make wine and stuff like that. So I don't know, and to make shampoo and soap out of it. So, and they didn't show any of that. At least if they had showed that, they would say, you would say, okay, it's not just about the marijuana, it's not just about. And I
But
see a man taking up metal from Riverton dump and making dutchie.
that's
And I
where the
was
Dutchie
like,
coming from.
What are they showing on international television?
You know, this channel is like the channel that not people watch.
The Forbidden Channel?
The Forbidden
It don't matter,
it's
it is on the
free
French channel.
Forbidden channel.
It don't matter, it is on the French channel.
That nobody
It
knows.
just shows in a beautiful light at all.
When's the last time you watched Channel 5?
Never. It's my first
The
time.
first time. When's the last time? Sometimes I watch documentary with Channel 5. I have to say. Well, guys, I want you to answer me. Remember that.
That's the assignment for today, so we won't give you a Jamaican expression. Your job is to give babe 3 things that comes to your mind when you think about Jamaica. No lie.
And
right
for
away.
the first times, I'm gonna come and read all the commands.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, I try to keep that.
So you guys hold him to that.
I'm gonna come.
And you need to comment under you guys replies.
I'm creating an account and reply to everybody.
That would be cool. Anyway, you guys, we are heading to bed right now because I'm tired. Or should I go and watch another block list? No, I'm falling asleep. I'm going to
Look at
bed.
my shirts.
Asafa.
No, that's not Asafa.
You guys know Asafa is my
Jamaica.
boy, so I had to buy him this Asafa shirt. And Asafa was the boss. Still is the boss, still, but you don't know. Anyway, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the Fam Bam, and don't forget to go and subscribe to Body After Baby. The link is down below in the comment section. It's up the top under the heading channels. Click on that and you'll see it, or it's in the comment section. Go show your girl some love. Even if you're not into workout and you're not into fitness, something probably is over there that you'll enjoy. Anyway, guys, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.